Hey y'all, this our girl Miss Candy. So today y'all, let's go try them chicken dippers. They $4.99 and then you get the sauce on the side. So hold on for a second. Hey y'all, so I'm back y'all. Let's go ahead and try these chicken dippers. And then I got the black chicken ranch. And then I got the signature sauce on the side. And that's red beans and rice right there. And then I got a mango. Period, poo. Mango, I'm gonna give it that a 10 out of 10. Now let's go ahead and open up this signature sauce. Y'all see the signature sauce. Y'all see the chicken dippers. Y'all see that. I'm gonna tell you, it's definitely worth it. It's crunchy and kind of soft too. And the black ranch dipped in there. I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. Y'all go try it.